10 ml of gaseous mixture of hydrogen and nitrogen exactly requires 4 ml of oxygen for complete combustion. The volume percent of nitrogen in the original mixture is, we know among the hydrogen and nitrogen, the one which can go for combustion reactions is only hydrogen. Nitrogen does not undergo combustion reactions. So the first clarity, nitrogen remains unreactive, does not undergo combustion reactions, does not undergo combustion. So the only gas that undergoes combustion with oxygen in the air is hydrogen. So hydrogen is undergoing complete combustion, where 4 ml of oxygen is completely utilized, is consumed completely in the process of combustion, where you have taken the total mixture of gas is 10 ml. This I have taken is 10 ml. So having this data, let us solve this particular one. We know hydrogen combines with oxygen in 2:1 ratio to form H2O. Let us say at room temperature liquid. This is the gas and this is the gas. They are in the ratio, if I am taking, they are in 2:1 ratio. Correct? So initially I have taken 4 ml. We don't know what can be the X. What can be the X over here? But what is the condition? If 4 ml completely consumes, if 4 ml becomes 0, if I have say XML is taken over here, this should be completely coming to, this also has to be consumed completely, taking 4 ml. When it comes to 0, it should be the 8 ml that should be consumed in the process. What should be the amount of hydrogen that will be consumed? What will be the amount of hydrogen that can be consumed in the process is, for 1 volume of oxygen, for 1 volume of oxygen consumed, 1 volume of oxygen consumed, 2 volumes of hydrogen will be consumed. 2 volumes of hydrogen will be consumed. So for 1 volume of oxygen consumed completely, 2 volumes of hydrogen will be consumed. So if 4 ml is consumed in the process, the consumed amount of hydrogen will be 8 ml. So 8 ml will be consumed for 4 ml. For every 1 ml, 2 ml will go out. For 4 ml, 8 ml has come out. So that means X value is 8. We know hydrogen and oxygen collectively is 10 ml, in which hydrogen alone is 8 ml. Sorry, nitrogen here, children. I'm sorry. So let me just erase this and write nitrogen. Mixture of hydrogen and nitrogen is 10 ml, where hydrogen alone is 8 ml. The volume of nitrogen left is 2 ml. So if I say the percentage of nitrogen in the mixture is 2 by the total volume of the mixture 10 into 100. So if I say this is equals to 20%. So the percentage of nitrogen in the mixture is 20%, where 80% is hydrogen, only 20% is nitrogen. So the answer is option B, 20%.